Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if my backdrop is triggering to you. It's wrinkly. There's not much I can do about it. So I'm going to be trying the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Foundation as well as the Flex Concealer. Super excited about trying these. I haven't tried anything from Milk, but they added some new lighter shades to this range, and I thought, why not give it a shot, add it to my foundation series that I'm kind of doing, and see if I like it. It's a matte foundation. Let's read a little bit more about it. It's $40, but I think they have sales, and they also have like a 15% off thing off your first order, so that's cool. I think I missed out on that, but I have the shade Porcelain, and it says here, Blur Liquid Matte Foundation, Full Coverage Water Thin Foundation, provides a weightless, long-wearing matte finish. Silicone-free formula won't clog pores so skin can breathe. Blurring microspheres minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and imperfections for smooth, flawless-looking skin. Formula is housed in a mess-free, no-drip, airtight package. Packaging is super cute. It's different. It says shake before use. Ooh, this looks like a paint. Like, this looks like art supplies. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna do one side of my face with a sponge and the other side with a brush. That's probably way too much. Ooh, smells like citrus. Like a really, really like faint citrusy smell. Wow. I feel like that was enough for my whole face right there. So full coverage. And like really light. We'll see if it oxidizes a little bit, but right now it's like, holy shit. Looks pretty nice so far on the sponge. My ears are very pigmented, so let's Let's try it with a brush, So I'm using one of my black ruby makeup brushes. This is the foundation one. The smell is so pleasant, you guys. It's just, I don't think that this is a brush type of foundation. I'm more of a sponge gal. I can see little marks from like stippling and stuff. I love a brush for my neck because I can really drag it down very quickly. Yeah, no, just doesn't look very good with the brush. Sponge, brush. It just doesn't look as nice and perfect and airbrushed. You can see the difference, hopefully, with the sponge and the brush side. Since I can't go on like this, I just need to take the sponge and smooth out this side because I don't like seeing brush strokes. Pretty darn good for just foundation on this face right now. Am I right? I look like a mime. I'm enjoying the look of this foundation a lot. We will see how it wears throughout the day. It's kind of warm. I don't have my AC on today just because it's been very expensive running it round the clock every single day. But let's try the concealer, huh? This is the Flex Concealer. I have the shade Porcelain, and it's the lightest one. It says full coverage liquid concealer, flexes with skin's movement without cracking or creasing, infused with blue lotus, chamomile, and marshmallow to hydrate and help calm skin. Oh my god. Why is there marshmallow in it? That's so cute. That should be like a major selling point. Like, why are they not advertising that more? Are marshmallows vegan? Yeah, no, it says cruelty free, so I'm guessing marshmallow and gelatin is not the same thing. I'm just stupid and I'm gonna stop talking now. So this concealer costs $28. Very small doe foot applicator, which I'm not crazy about small doe foot applicators for my concealer because I really like to layer up like a lot, and then I just have to dip in like multiple times. I'm just gonna, let's do that one side just in case it dries fast. What do you guys think? It looks pretty nice. No concealer. It's covering up those dark circles pretty well. Fuck, I look so, like, that side of my face looks like, bitch, you need to get some sleep. Let's fix that. You guys, I don't want to sound crazy, but I feel like I can tell that there's marshmallow in this. It's like fluffier. It's light and it's like fluffier than Shape Tape. I don't know. I don't think I have the vocabulary to explain things very well, but it looks nice. I mean, it blended out beautifully with the Beauty Blender. It looks pretty good. Oh, by the way, the smell of the concealer, it smells like spray paint. Not like super strong, but they didn't put the scent in the concealer like they did with the foundation, so it doesn't smell very nice. It almost is like effortless to blend, this foundation and concealer. It is so effortless to blend with a Beauty Blender. It's insane. It's like fluffy, and it's not heavy and goopy, kind of like Shape Tape can be. It can be a little heavier, but this is really, really nice consistency. So in addition to the foundation concealer, I had to get these little stick bronzers because I heard good things from a few of my favorite beauty gurus, and like I've been wanting to try out the Milk like stick stuff. A little bit about the matte bronzers. Instantly melts into skin using Milk Melt technology, infused with mango butter, peach nectar, and avocado oil. Sounds nice. Applied to high points of face to create a sun-kissed effect. Can be applied on collarbone and legs for an all-over bronze. Bronzer goes on the high points of your face? I thought that was highlighter. Just kind of obsessed with the packaging. It's so cute. So I got two different colors. We've got Blaze and Baked. Is there weed in this? So these are $24 each, and I need to swatch these bad boys. Should we see how much comes in one of these? Wow. Okay. So, shit. Wonder if the other one was like that. I should mention that I got my stuff from Sephora and not from the Milk website, so if it's broken, then we can blame Sephora. Okay, so there's a lot in there that's like a year's supply. Smells exactly like Play-Doh, you guys. I'm not kidding. This is Play-Doh. Oh. There we go. That one's a little stuck. Fuck, it's all over my hands. God damn it. This one is stuck and it's way harder to roll up. What the shit, dude? This is hard. Not nice. It's not nice to roll this up. I already have like fucking carpal tunnel from so much editing with my computer, and that was stressful. This rolls up so beautifully and easily, and this I feel like I'm literally pulling teeth. So that's fun. Number 1 is Blaze, and number 2 is Baked. Blazed, Baked. This is then blended out. So I feel like for the perimeter of my face, I'm gonna use Blaze, that slightly darker version. Ooh. Wonder what they suggest blending this in with. Should we go brush or should we go sponge? A lot of my foundation is coming off on it. I guess you could probably just straight up go in with your brush. That probably would have been a good idea. Ooh. Wow, that's amazing. That's beautiful. Didn't even, like, barely needed to blend that shit. Let's try the sponge on this side. Wow. If this is what happens if I don't set my face, little hairs get stuck to it. Really pretty. Although, like, this is the darkest one, and it almost even looks like I could go a little bit heavier with it. So, not sure if people darker than me are going to be able to use that, which is kind of a bummer because I'm pretty light. I didn't think I was going to be into this, but it shears out in the most beautiful way, and I'm obsessed right now. Let's try getting a little bit on my brush. Ooh. This is the most beautiful tan looking, like, perfect contour I've ever seen in my life. Blends out so freaking perfect. If I say that one more time, it's working very well on top of the foundation. Might have got a little overboard there, but it's okay. I can clean up the sides when I bake. I'm obsessed. Oh. You heard it here first. Make sure to roll that sucker down before you put the lid on. Well, at least that wasn't the one that I like. So I'm just gonna leave this on my face. I'm gonna finish my face actually, and then I'll pop back in when everything is done. So far, I'm so pleased. I'm really happy with how everything is looking. Since initial application, it's been about an hour and a half, and my face is finished. What is that? Looks like I got a little schmutz, but that's not the foundation's fault. What do we think? You guys leave me comments and let me know. I mean, it has only been 1 hour. I'm really sweaty and I'm really hot right now, and it still looks very matte. Also, the powders and blush and blush. I'm like, did I blush? The foundation hasn't worn away. Like, it honestly looks great. And then my under eyes look pretty good. It's kind of hard to see because this is a very grungy, smoky-ish eye, but so far I'm very pleased. I'm happy with it. I did spray some Milani Make It Last setting spray, but I mean, does setting spray even really work? I don't know. I don't think it'll mess with the integrity of this review. I did a little bit more contour just because I like to add a little bit more contour. But yeah, I also tried out, if you're interested in more milk makeup stuff, I tried out the Kush brow gel and the Kush mascara, and that's going to be in a different video, so keep an eye out for that, subscribe, do whatever you want, or if you don't give a fuck, like, you click on it and not watch it, but yeah, I'll check in a little bit. Okay. Hey guys, sorry for the little bit of a low quality final check-in, but I just can't sit in front of those beauty lights right now, and my room is kind of a mess. So yeah, it's like about 1:30, so it's been like 9.5 hours. I tried to stick it out. I know 10 hours isn't even that long of a test time for foundation, but anyway, I'm so tired. Like, I'm gonna be rambling, and sorry about that. This is the foundation. I had to put my glasses on because my contact lenses were bothering me, so it doesn't appear to be glasses proof, but what foundation is. Pretty pleased with how it's looking and how it's felt all day. My face feels so soft and so smooth and like velvety. I haven't been running around outside or I've just literally been sitting at home, like doing a little bit of editing. It has worn away in certain areas. I did eat, and where I kind of overdrew my lips a little bit, you can see that it's worn away there. Well, how does my face look after 9.5 hours?
Always beautiful.
Tell me honestly.
I guess it looks like it's started to
wear away a little bit.
Yeah.
But it looks pretty good for like 9.5 hours, right?
I don't know what other makeup looks like.
Because normally I would touch it up, but I didn't want to for the integrity of the review. Go away and let me finish. Anyway, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it helpful so far. It's not like the world's most perfect foundation. It can definitely wear off. It's worn off a little bit on my chin there too. And yeah, if you're touching your face a lot, I'm sure it'll rub off. But other than that, I feel like it's pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna keep wearing it. I'll probably update you guys in the comments or the description box later, but yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave more suggestions for me of what other foundation I should try during this series. Anything else that you guys want me to try or look into, and hopefully you're enjoying them. And Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.